Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing fantastic because we are dropping into some news today. We have been more quiet than usual, and it's true, the price has been dropping. The team has been working on their own thing. Less Twitter posts and news directly from the team. Satoshi in here explains why. From the devs, Satoshi Kasuma shares official on Discord. We'll be providing updates, working on argument that breaks down internal workings of SHIB, close to the release of NFTs, updates coming to the swap, working on restructure. So the developer, Satoshi, or one of the project managers, is in fact going to be working again and giving us some more updates. And these updates, I have actually seen that with less and less of these updates, which are a huge reason that Shiba Inu's activity is down right now. That Shiba Inu's price is down right now because people are not buying because they're not sure what's happening with the coin. The army will see what I'm doing and why, but I'm almost done. So he does have some big plans behind us. And it's tricky because we're building a true decentralized unit. I see this. I'm working on a document that breaks down the integral workings of SHIB. Just need time to organize. Now, internal workings of SHIB. Now, this is really important. Maybe they'll have, their own internal company. And that's really, really awesome. But I have to restructure first. Most importantly, I'll give updates soon. Hard to say, but yes, it's all coming. So finally, we're getting more updates. But I think we're close to the release of our NFTs and they look amazing. I'm excited. Updates coming to the swap soon. And one of the other features I think is very needed. Is that a burn? Hopefully it is a burn, but we'll be hearing about that pretty much soon if we haven't already. Things are on track, but I can't be in the go mode 24/7. Now, what I suggest to the developers and the Satoshi and Shiba Inu team is that they hire someone or they have someone volunteer where he constantly gives updates, constantly on the loop, constantly on the feedback, so users can check every single day and see what's happening with the cryptocurrency. Has any new updates been made in that day? How many followers did we get? And so on. And the Bitforex Crypto Cup is reaching the finals and it's already over by now, but SHIB is dominating right now. And it's really, really, really awesome. We are going to be seeing some massive growth, but the swap is just the start. New developments are near. DAO, NFT incubators. Those are the three things we're going to be seeing and that are going to be increasing the Shiba Inu's price. But there's also some other things in the plan. The ecosystem is built piece by piece. Not rest SHIB army. We have a fierce competition this weekend. It's always good to test the might. And really, really awesome because if we have 3 new things incoming, that's 3 new reasons why Shiba Inu's price will increase. But come on, SHIB army. And, basically, SHIB Informer being back, we have been very quiet. The most important factor is here, we are going to be seeing a lot of burn. That is the most important factor. Like a lot of people love Ryoshi Vision. We're going to be seeing how it improves, what changes. But for right now, with a burn, everything could change. If Coin wanted to be listed in Shiba Swap, they have to buy SHIB and Leash, spending 25k for each and then burn them. But right now, when we want new listings, the other developers wanting to get listed on the swap, have to pay $25,000. And that's not high. The swap will be flooded with hundreds and thousands of BAT coins. And if your project can't find 25k to get listed, it's probably not a very serious project to begin with. But 2 seconds after buying crypto, this is so me. When is the Lambo going to be coming to me? I hope soon, but really, really awesome seeing, we are winning every single competition. Right now, we're seeing a lot of changes. So don't kill crypto billboard goes up in Alabama in advance of House tackling infrastructure. Now, this is next level. We want members of Congress to know we'll be watching them and we won't let them hide from the positions on this. So, in fact, the big decision is being made. So, Senator Shelby opposed protecting our basic freedoms. Hashtag don't kill crypto, paid for by the fight for the FTR via small crypto donations. Like, this is simply crazy. They made a billboard, and this just tells you how big the community actually is, the crypto community as a whole, buying in a billboard out of donations and, saying that, well, maybe we shouldn't tax crypto that hard. Maybe we shouldn't make every single holder base a trader. And for brokers and manage the digital assets transaction worth more than 10,000 be reported to Internal Revenue Service. Like, that's simply crazy that they would be taxing all above $10,000. And I just don't think that this will get passed. But this will be a number of opportunities in the coming months for the House of Representatives to fix the problematic crypto provision that is included in the infrastructure bill. So this is what a lot of people are concerned. We want members of the Congress to know that we'll be watching them and that we won't let them hide from their positions on this. Canadian investment firm plans to plant trees matching buys in Bitcoin ETF. Now, this is another reason why countries might gear up with crypto companies, even SHIB. This could be even SHIB. And the investment firm filed application for its Bitcoin ETF with Canadian security regulator in February. So they're going to be planting trees for their ETF. So they have pledged to plant 3,400 trees for every 1 million Canadian at the time of publication invested in Bitcoin exchange traded fund or ETF. Like, that's simply crazy to me. So they'll be giving that into trees, planting them back because we are having an environmental crisis. People were saying, even Elon Musk is what caused the big dip. But if you check over here, in May, Bank of America analyst said Bitcoin's energy usage has increased 200% since 2019 and is now comparable to that of the developed small nation. Prominent in the space, including Tesla CEO Elon Musk, have also expressed concern about the network increasing the rapidly use of fossil fuels. The investment firm filed the application for a Bitcoin ETF. So Bitcoin ETFs are really growing. What you have to know, for Shiba Inu, this could be a game changer. Imagine if we partner up with Paraguay. Imagine if we partner up with El Salvador. So many more smaller countries or even just islands where SHIB could get accepted as a legal tender. And now, right now, it might sound crazy as SHIB is only a 3 billion market cap. In the future, though, Dogecoin is the people's coin. So where will this be for Shiba Inu? Still too early to know if Bitcoin will remain top dog, Wall Street vet says. Will other crypto assets ever overtake Bitcoin in the market cap? Maybe. It's still too early, but maybe, there could be other cryptocurrencies that could overtake Bitcoin. Could that be Ethereum? Could that be SHIB? It will be very hard for SHIB to overtake that. I think if SHIB reaches top 10 again, that would mean massive gains for anyone investing into Shiba Inu. We're in the top half of the second inning of crypto right now. It looks like Bitcoin will remain at top, however, and Bitcoin will be remaining at top. And there's a lot of talk about Ethereum surpassing Bitcoin, and that's reality, but we need to play a few more innings to see what happens. So Bitcoin is still the most dominating coin. Will Shiba Inu ever get to, 1 cent? Will Shiba Inu get ever to $1? $1 is going to be hard without a burn, and that's what the developers are trying to do. They're trying to please people and implement a burn by itself. Almost all of the crypto assets in the top 100 on CoinMarketCap, including SHIB, carry valuations over 1 billion, a sign of crypto industry's growth and significance. So over 1 billion for, Shiba Inu is 3 to 4 billion. That's a lot of money, which might cause another crypto asset to surpass Bitcoin in market cap. It's not going away. If crypto assets surpasses Bitcoin, it will be because of market forces, both investor interest and market utility. If you look at the top 5 companies by market cap in 1980, they were Exxon, GM, Mobile4, and Texaco. Today, they're Apple, Microsoft, Google, Saudi Aramco, and Amazon. Just remember, companies change, and so do cryptocurrencies. In 2018, we were seeing a lot of different coins on the market than they are today. They basically have dropped ever since. If SHIB is around for the next 3 to 5 years, you can bet that Shiba Inu will be worth a lot. Because if it stays in top 100, it will definitely increase. But the question is, will it stay? It will most likely will be, as Dogecoin is going strong. But Bitcoin price stages a comeback as 3 indicators reflect Bitcoin's strength. So Bitcoin is finally coming up. A bullish trend can be seen in the future markets. The top traders' long to short ratio is still optimistic. And also, option market are slightly bullish. So, these are the 3 indicators you have to know. But there's another indicator. And when we look at that, major hotel in Swiss Alps now allows crypto payments. Like, they allow SHIB. Now, the Chedi Andermatt has 123 rooms and suits going for low as 1,300 francs per night in the high season, or roughly half an Ethereum. So, $1,500 per night. So, if you're extremely rich off SHIB, you can now be in a 5-star hotel. And they have accepted Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment from guests. According to the August report from Swiss news outlet Blick, guests at a Chedi Andermatt hotel are allowed to settle bills of more than $200 using Bitcoin or Ethereum. Prices are still semi-set in fiat to reduce any risk of volatility, with the hotel converting any cryptocurrency received immediately into francs. So this is another case use for crypto, and I really do love that. First opened in 2013, the Chedi Andermatt has 123 rooms and suits going for low as, half Ethereum. So if you are insanely rich off Shiba Inu, Now might be the chance to spend it. The Swiss canton of Zug, often referred to a crypto value, is the home of many blockchain and crypto firms, in addition to tokens being widely accepted for a variety of purposes in the area. In February, Zug announced to allow residents to pay taxes in crypto for the first time. So we are going to be seeing big changes happening today. And bug in Ethereum client leads to split EVM compatible chains at risk. Nothing you should be concerned of. I don't think it will drop the prices, but this will in fact raise the prices. Cuba is set to recognize and regulate cryptocurrency. The country had temporarily stopped accepting cash bank deposits in United States dollars due to tighter restrictions set by the former US President Donald Trump. So they will recognize it and they will accept it. And this is big. Some sources claim that the move to allow cryptocurrency as a legal tender has been well received by Cuba's tech-savvy population, as the country had temporarily stopped accepting cash bank deposits. And this is huge. Cuban authorities are also expected to distribute relevant licensed businesses based on the crypto-related services they provide. So it's planning to recognize and regulate cryptocurrencies for payment. Another legal tender coming in. We still will see how this works out, but for El Salvador, this is just the first country coming in, and believes that El Salvador's out-of-this-world experiment could result in greater financial inclusion. I don't think this will happen. If Bitcoin goes well on September 7th, like the Cuban government is stepping in. Thank you so much for watching and dropping a like. This is definitely a bullish indicator with another country coming in. Maybe in 10 years, we're going to be seeing SHIB accepted as a legal tender. Peace, everyone.